Considering what's at stake, it's no wonder engineers strive for high reliability of their electronics designs. But sometimes, designs fail. Achieve high electronic systems reliability with RAND simulation's proven approach. Age begets circuit failure. Achieve target PCB lifecycle reliability by testing your proprietary components along with 50,000 electrical components, materials, and laminates. Predict how your designs will perform in the real world with enhanced variation analysis. Your team's tribal knowledge is extensive, but is it infinite? Run powerful what-if scenarios to arrive at the best design candidates in hours, not months. Insight gleaned from simulation helps build better products and reduce design cycles. Test your designs with state-of-the-art simulation early in the design phase, when the cost of change is lowest and chance for innovation greatest. Don't fail. Dramatically improve your electronics designs.